It's time for a gift card giveaway. The Wiggy Woman channel is officially 1 year old. I started this channel in July of 2020, and since then, 3,600 of you have subscribed to my channel and trusted me with your hair loss journey. And I am so grateful for that I felt like what better way to celebrate this big first milestone than to give away a $150 gift card to Wigstudio1. So if you're interested in winning this $150 gift card, stay tuned because I have all the details. Welcome to the Wiggy Woman, where I give you wig and hair topper reviews and tutorials to help you have the easiest path forward on your hair loss journey. You're used to tuning into the Wiggy Woman channel for synthetic wigs and hair topper reviews and tutorials, but today we are doing something a little bit different. We are going to be celebrating this channel's first birthday by doing a $150 gift card giveaway. So I partnered with Wigstudio1, which, as you know, if you've watched many of my videos, that is where I buy the majority of the wigs that you see here on the Wiggy Woman channel. So I'm very grateful to Wigstudio1 for agreeing to partner with me to give away this gift card to one lucky viewer. So let me show you how to enter. All right, to enter the giveaway, you're gonna head over to thewiggywoman.com, which is my website. And right here at the top, you can't miss it. You can go ahead and click enter the first anniversary giveaway. Once you do that, all you got to do is enter in your email, click enter, and you are in. I also included a ton of ways for you to gain additional entries if you really want to win that $150 gift card to Wigstudio1. So go ahead and click on any of these things and you will get some additional extra entries. Or if you'd like, you can also check out some of the content that is on my website, including my custom hair color quiz, which I did build myself, which will recommend some great wig shades and includes links to various wigs in the shade that's perfect for you based on the options that you select. Thank you so much for tuning in every Thursday when I upload new wig and hair topper reviews and tutorials. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and really giving my hair loss some purpose. It's really been kind of the lemonade that I have made from these lemons, and it has been very, very therapeutic for me. So I genuinely appreciate you allowing me in on your hair loss journey, and I am so excited for all of the great things that we're gonna do in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.